So up here, see all those nests? That's the heron rookery. Goodbye. See them? Oh, they are. They're up in it. See them? Isn't that cool? That is cool. Actually, the sun's right behind it. That'll be fun. So we can come out here and see if we can get the birds to eat, and then back in the woods as well. Oh, psh. Hello, cranes. Okay. All right. We got some already. Then there's
Nice.
called gleaning.
Yeah.
Gleaning. But, let's see. Hold this guy.
Art ones?
Yeah, so it's 70 art, yeah. So I figure should be give me enough reach to get in and over people's heads. ISO 100, yeah, you think it's too dark right now?
I think you probably could. I mean, the sun's kind of coming
Let's see.
right at us, but
Oh yeah, no, that's fine. The man that I wanted right off. Oh, there you go. There we go, baby. I have been taking pictures since I was about 13 years old, so that would be 41 years. The thing for me is that it was never about the camera. It was always about something I saw that I wanted to remember. Or I wanted to show someone else. It was that I had some way to capture it. And that's still the thing for me today. That's still like, can I capture what I see? That's the goal. I am just capturing this incredible event. And it's just bliss. I definitely have a journalistic approach versus a fine art. I like the story that I see. Even though it's a still, somehow there's a story in a journalistic photograph that's not in a fine art photograph. The great thing about coming out this time of year is you can really see the birds because there's no leaves. I started with my dad's camera. I don't even remember what kind it was, but it was a single lens reflex for a class I was taking in high school, and started taking pictures for that. And then I just loved it, and I was like, I wonder if I can get a job doing this. Where would I get a job doing this? And the only place in the town we lived was a newspaper that was kind of active. I don't know why I thought I could go to a newspaper at 13 or 14. I think I was 14, and say, "Hey, hire me." But I thought I did, and they did. So I don't know why. Just took a little guts, I guess. When you're behind the camera, like I don't see it as a direct conflict mostly, and that's probably difficult for some people around me. But it's not like I'm enjoying that I'm taking a picture. It's like I'm enjoying the thing we're doing because of how I can see it through the frame. Like I'm experiencing it through the frame as well as in real life. Years past, I would make photo albums and I'd have them ready for Thanksgiving morning. And that was our beginning to Thanksgiving, and it was my way of saying, thank you, Lord, for all these beautiful moments that we had and we can share and we can enjoy and share it with kids, in-laws, grandkids that weren't even there at the time. What could be better than that? That's amazing. There's so many spectacular places that I've been able to take pictures, but there are times, and I have several in my head that I remember saying, you know what, you got to put the camera down. It's time just to look around and enjoy, or, be with the people. Like if I'm with people, that can become a distraction. But if it's just me and I'm not with somebody that I'm trying to have a relationship with at the same time, there's no conflict. So this was when I first got there. Oh, sorry, I have the highlight thing on. Just ignore that for a sec. She was sitting on top of that, And we went all the way to the golden.
Yeah.
By the time I left. Okay, these are some of my favorites. The gold, but look at that water. The water just was like mirror.
Wow, that's incredible.
So that was. They look like they're flying. That's amazing. I love that. Yeah, if you scroll quickly, like you can see. Oh, that guy just ran through. All in all, my goodness, super successful couple hours of shooting. Just so many birds. I mean, sometimes we go and there's like, 2.